any Orlando Pirates player this season. Alongside me, Coach Mandla Ncikazi. Coach, today's game, let's start with that. Your impressions?
The biggest lesson today was you can't create so many chances and don't score. It's a lesson. If I recall correctly, I think they had one chance, one transition. Okay, it's a lesson, but there's so many positives from the setup. I thought a lot of young players got the exposure. At least now we've got the information where to improve, where to go from there. For me, that was the biggest lesson. It could have been good to finish at home with a win, but I still think it's still positive going into the next season.
Yeah, look at the season, small margins really between what we, I guess, up until the last 2 months or so thought was going to be a season of great success in terms of trophies for Orlando Pirates. Still though, plenty of improvements, plenty of elevation that has happened this campaign for Pirates. How do you reflect on 2024-2025?
I thought there's a lot of positives than negatives. If you look at our team from the gap perspective, from us competing in Africa, just one moment, semi-final CAF, you could have gone into the final and maybe win it. Nedbank, you go into the final. I don't think there's any team that has introduced so many youngsters in their setup. For me, that's a big positive. So many players are in the national team. Selepi, who was a ball boy 3 months ago, now in the national team. For me, lots of positives. I just wish we grow from here and become better.
That's really going to be the challenge, isn't it? Next season, how does Orlando Pirates improve on what has been a remarkable record-breaking campaign?
No, Pirates will improve. I trust the wisdom that is in that office of ours. We will have to take stock. We'll have to compile the reports. Where did we get it wrong? Where can we improve? Where can we be better? Where do we have to reinforce where we think we were doing well? And after that, I'm sure solutions will come out and then we'll be a better team next season.
All the best for pre-season, Coach.
Thank you so much.
Coach Mandla Ncikazi, yes, he's just mentioned that he expects Orlando Pirates to improve. The big question is, in what areas? A team that has come second, a record-breaking second, what areas